everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lipsync on your Amazon Prime Video application. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to watch a video on your Prime Video app but the video does not match with your audio, then here are some things you could try out. First, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can also try turning on your flight mode, wait for a couple of seconds, and turn it off back again. Once you're connected to an internet, open up your Prime Video app and see if that fixes the issue. If not, the next thing to do is to try updating your Amazon Prime Video application. Tab open your Play Store and search for Amazon Prime Video, and if you see an update button right beneath or right next to your app, you should try updating your application by tapping on the update button. But if you see an open button, it means your application is already updated. Once you have the latest version of your app, log into your account and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to simply try deleting your cache data from your Amazon Prime Video app. Simply go tap open your settings from your Android, and from the settings menu, select apps. Search for Prime Video app from the list and give it a tap. Tap on the 4-stop button at the bottom right hand corner and tap OK. Tap on storage and now tap clear cache at the bottom right. Now simply tap open your Prime Video app and see if that fixes the issue by playing a video. If it still does not work, simply delete your Prime Video app from a mobile device by pressing hold the app and tapping on uninstall. In the pop-up where it asks you if you are sure you'd like to uninstall the app, tap OK. Once you've uninstalled your application, go back to your Play Store, search in the search box by typing in Amazon Prime, and once you find Amazon Prime Video app, tap the install button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Once you reinstall your application, launch it open, log into your account, and you'll be able to solve the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever your lip sync on Amazon Prime Video does not match with the audio. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.